Hey everybody, so it has been a really long time. I am back, super excited to be back. I have so many updates in my home. I have so many, super excited. It's almost fall and I'm pulling out the decorations, getting my home ready, doing a little cleaning and also, a little DIY project, and hopefully I can film that for you as well. But super excited to be back and super excited to show this video. If you do not know me, if this is your first time, my name is Denise Marie. My family and I are located in San Antonio, Texas, and we have been in our home for about a year and almost a year and a half now. And this is my son Benjamin. We've been in our home for about a year and a half now. We've made a lot of changes decor wise, and even did a little bit of painting. So all right, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button. Leave me a quick comment, just say hi, an emoji, whatever. I appreciate it so much. So all right, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I've written out a list here of some things I want to do today, and one of them is to do 3 loads of laundry, which I've actually already did 2. So I'm going on my 3rd load. Sweep my front porch, clean my window outside for the front porch actually. Like that. Write down a budget, my decor, my fall decor. I should have written my fall decor on here, but that's okay. I need to get that out, and then also declutter any of that. I have to log into the kids' school, and I want to spray paint a hoop. My hoop for my fall decor.
Hi. This is Benjamin.
Okay. So got everything cleaned out here, and nice and swept. I was gonna wash it down, but it's really not too dirty, just maybe like a little bit of bird poop there, but that's pretty much it. Grass is needing another cut and looking a little dry. We did have some rain here really good yesterday, but I think we need to water it some more. These were all nice and yellow and white flowers here, and this finally bloomed over here, and those, they just didn't survive. I don't know, I don't really have a green thumb. I try. I've been able to keep some other plants alive, but the rosemary I just kill. So I don't know, maybe I gotta try 3rd time's a charm or try something new. And this, I'm just trying to, I usually have them facing out, but I'm gonna I thought I'd just do something a little bit different here. I don't know if it looks okay or not, but we'll see. So, yep. Just getting it all nice and ready until we go fall shopping probably next weekend, get a couple of things for the house. And so I've kept these two alive, but haven't been a good plant mom to this one. And this one is inside and it's just thriving. Thank goodness. So I can go ahead and scratch a few things off my list now. Let's see. I swept my front porch. I cleaned the window in the front.
You watered your plants.
I spray painted the hoop.
Watered the plants.
Yes. I watered my plants.
Oh, I wanted to scratch that one off.
So I just need to work on these other things. And I've done 3 loads and folded 1. I just need to finish folding the other 2. So after going through all of my stuff, I've decided this is going to be my keep pile. And I have the pillow that I showed you earlier. I've got these acorns, some pumpkins here, these flowers. I'm still a little bit on the fence about those. I'm actually gonna look for some new florals this weekend. And this sign, this one as well. These pumpkins here that I've had from Michael's for a while. This definitely. And then this is going to be my trash pile, which is not very much. This is actually from a DIY that I did last year. This is from a DIY bowl that I did as well a couple of years ago. And then this is definitely going to be my pile that my dog and my daughter's shoe. So this pile here is all going to be things that I'm gonna put on Facebook Marketplace to get rid of and hopefully make a little cash off of this to use to go shopping. So this is all, to me, this is kind of all more farmhouse vibe, and I want to do a different type of vibe this year, so yep. So I played around with my decor, and this is just a quick sneak peek. I just wanted to share it with you guys and see what y'all think. Hopefully I should be having another video coming out pretty soon when I go shopping pretty soon here. And let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit a like, send me an emoji, even just a hi. And I just want to say I appreciate all of y'all for your time stopping by and watching, and see y'all next time.